Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video. We have a million things going on. Tomorrow's my daughter's birthday, and we have a birthday party up at my mom's house in Michigan this weekend. So we are crazy busy for the next 2 days. It is Thursday, or no, it is Wednesday when I'm filming this. I'm in a new setup. It's in my room. I have a crazy tripod going on. My makeup's not the best today, but I wanted to unbox this Grove. I had a couple people request that I unbox it instead of post it. So we're just gonna get right into it. Pretty pumped about it. So they always have lots of stuffing at the top and I really like that. I will say on my manifest, they said thank you. Where are you? There you go. And I love this kind of thing. I know that somebody probably like picked it and was like, hey, thank you, and then they moved on. But that's a nice little touch. The one thing that was supposed to be in here was the Grove Collaboratives glass spray bottle with silicone sleeve. That is not in here. I already messaged Grove about it. They refunded me the money. They apparently ran out of stock and something happened, but it is in my next shipment, so hopefully I will get it. So I'm gonna get right into this. So the first thing I got was a Grove Collaborative Cleaning Essential Set in the scent Orange and Rosemary. It's a 3-pack of concentrates. So it's all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, and tub and tile cleaner. This lighting is a lot better than what I normally have. So they look like this. So this is the glass cleaner. You see that hopefully. They just come in these little things, and these are supposed to last you forever. It just says twist off top and dispense into 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill bottle with water. Replace nozzle and shake. So it's as much concentrate as you want in there. Basically, I'm probably gonna put like just a little squeeze and then fill it with water to try to get it going. But this is a glass cleaner, which I've been looking for because unfortunately I'm trying to stray away from like Windex and stuff. I wanted something more natural. So the next one is the all-purpose cleaner. Twist off top, dispense in a 16-ounce. Fill bottle with water. Replace nozzle and shake. Boom. There's that. Same thing was this. This is the tub and tile cleaner. I've been looking for a new one of those as well. So I've got those in here. I currently have one glass spray bottle, so I'm going to have to bust out the glass cleaner probably first. And then when my next spray bottle comes in, I will probably pull out the tub and tile. The next thing, I don't know where to look. This is weird. Is the reusable storage bag essential set. So I have another one of these coming in my next boxes, but basically they're just reusable like storage bags. So you get like a big gallon size, so about as big as my head. So if anybody want to know, my head's a little less than a gallon, but here is the reusable, and this is the sandwich bag size. It's about as big as my face, so that's nice. And then this is the snack bag size. So I won't size that one. My head will look too big. If anything you hear, oh, you're crooked. I don't know if it's gonna fix. Okay, here we go. Sorry. So I have another pack of these coming as well because I'm trying to slowly, and I mean slowly, rotate everything out. I still have some disposable in there, but I'm trying to convert to mostly these if I can. If not, I'm gonna try to use recycled paper ones, which will be coming in another box. Next thing I got this for free because I ordered like so much. It's the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes, the garden mint set, which I had the anti-back wipes before and they were too wet for me. These smell delicious, first of all. Second of all, they don't feel as saturated as the anti-back. So these will probably just be like if I need like a quick wipe down of a table or something. This won't be one of my deep cleaning things, but sometimes it is nice to use this instead of a baby wipe to wipe something down. So I'm pretty excited. It's 0% synthetic fragrances or dyes in this, so that's really nice. So I've got that, and it comes with it's a 37 count of wipes. That was free. Next thing I got, pretty excited. This is the Daily Shower Method Daily Shower Cleaner. And I needed something specifically for my shower. I have a tub and tile, but I wanted something specifically for my shower to see what it was like. This was actually only $2.99. I am so happy about that price. I can't even tell you. I don't know if this has prices on it or not. I don't think so. I know this was about 10 bucks, like 10.30 something. This was free. I believe this was about like $7.60 something. And this was $2.99, which I was really happy about. So I've got that. Next thing, I ordered some of the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider vinegar apple cider dish soap. I'm so pumped about this. I can't even tell you. And I like how they do this little, they secure everything. So that's really nice. I bought this in the hand soap as well. And actually I got this with a credit because the pumpkin set was like terrible. That's probably a personal preference, but the fact that Grove was willing to accommodate that was appreciated. So I'm pretty excited for this, and this will last me a while because I ordered the Bubble Up dish brush. They've been out of stock forever. I almost ordered it from Amazon and I waited, so I was able to get the Grove one, and I'm pretty pumped. So it's just this little canister thing. This pops out. You put some soap in there, squirt a little water, put this down. Here's your little brush, and it helps you control your soap usage. So I'm pretty excited about that. So there's that. What do I have next? Oh, and I ordered 2 of these because they smell so good. Apple Cider Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I love these, and they smell so good. I went through the first one like so fast. I actually had to dilute it a couple times. Not gonna say how many, just, you know, I diluted it so that I could hold on to it longer, but now I don't need to. Oh my gosh, I don't want to spray actually, so I think that's it. They sent a little Grove Collaborative Fall 2018. They did come out with a new little set for fall. They are going to be coming out with the peppermint scent soon. I know people are a huge fan of that. There are a couple things I'm wanting to get, but they will be coming in November. So that is it for this video. Holy crap, I went through that so fast. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what your favorite item was. I think my favorite item, okay, I'm gonna say my favorite item is probably the dish brush. Okay, but other than that, I'm so ecstatic about all this. I'm excited to get to use it. I really like to clean. It's therapeutic, but it's just finding the time to clean. By the time I can clean, I don't have a lot of energy. So we're hoping to change that soon. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Feel free to reach out, whatever. Let me know. And until next time, I'll see you later.